Hey everyone, Zazzy. So I'm here with our LEF-20 printer, and last night it went through and well, I've been working on it for about 12 hours just trying to get it to print white ink again. So if you have one of these machines, know that whenever you run a powerful clean, it's gonna suck your ink carts dry, and those aren't cheap. So this is one of the things you can do instead of running repeated cleaning cycles on the machine through the panel here. I've already got the cover in here taken off. So we're going to take a look at our heads. This is our print head here, goes back and forth. You can see our capping stations. This is where the actual print heads, there's 3 of them on this machine, they get capped. So this one has 2 channels per color, or 1 half channel per head for each color. So cyan magenta, yellow black, and then clear white. One of the things that can cause a head to dry up or clog is that you don't get a good seal whenever this comes up and touches this, and that's because these capping stations are a wear item. I don't have any spare, and spares are at least 2 days away. So what we've done in the past is go over to a pharmacy and grab one of these little kids dosing syringes, and I'm going to put it on to the capping station hose here. I disconnected it from the pumps here, and I'm just going to take and I'm going to draw back, and we're going to see, oh, we got white ink, so that's a good sign. I'm going to stop there before I pull out too much, because this is already wasteful enough. And the next step is to reconnect this, put everything back together, run a test print, and then see if we are good. If not, we're going to have to try to diagnose this some other way. Again, Azzy from Azzy's Design Works. Thanks for checking out this quick tip on our Roland LEF-20 printer. Catch you later.